Wednesday, February 26th. Estimated daily livestock slaughter under federal inspection for Wednesday. Estimated cattle receipts at 122,000, 5,000 more than last week, 1,000 less than a year ago. The week today estimate 339,000. Estimated hog receipts for Wednesday, 490,000, 1,000 more than last week, 1,000 less than a year ago. The week today estimate 1,469,000. Wednesday is cattle auction day at the Windsor Livestock Auction. Checking in there, looking at a couple of stickout sales. They're expecting about 2,700 head for Wednesday. Stickout sales at Windsor, 118 head of 741-pound steers at $307.75, 103 636-pound heifers, $310.50, 80 head of 651-pound heifers at $291.50, 78 head of 736-pound steers, $296.50, 62 head of 615-pound heifers, $298, 61 head of 643-pound heifers at $300 per hundredweight. Looking down at Springfield Livestock Marketing Center, they're expecting about 2,000 head for Wednesday. Couple of stickout sales there. They had 58 head of 736-pound steers at $282.50, 38 head of 407-pound heifers, $375, 31 head of 653-pound heifers, $269.50, 30 head of 422-pound steers at $430. Looking up at Green City Livestock Auction, some stickout sales there. 83 head of 639-pound heifers, $290.50, 82 head of 699-pound steers, $314, 81 head of 606-pound steers, $337.50, 64 head of 699-pound steers, $315, 61 head of 849-pound steers at $278.25. Looking at the daily box beef cut values, choice cuts valued this afternoon at $312.90, 142 lower. Select closed at $303.24, down 89 cents. That's based off of 158 total loads. 111 loads of choice, 20 of select, 6 loads of trimmings, 22 loads of grinds. That choice select spread at $9.66. Looking at the Missouri cash grain bids paid to producers, the daily trends for Wednesday: soybeans 7 lower to 3 higher, wheat 7 8 lower, corn 1 to 3 lower. Corn bids in St. Joseph 460, Kansas City 438 to 468, St. Louis at 481 to 483, Milo in Kansas City 443. Soybeans in St. Joseph 970 to 996, Kansas City 975 to 1005, St. Louis 1021 to 1026. Wheat bids in Kansas City 546, St. Louis 560 to 582. Closing futures on the Chicago Board of Trade. Corn contracts March 478.25 down 1.5, May 493.5 down 3/4 cent, July 498.5 down 3/4 cent. Soybeans March 1024.5 down 6 3/4, May 1041.25 down 7.5, and July 1056.25 down 7 1/4. March wheat down 6 3/4, 566. May down 8 cents at 579 3/4, and July down 8.5 at 593 3/4. On the Mercantile Exchange, live cattle. February closed at 198.82 down 67. April 194.62 down 110. June 191.27 down 97 cents. Feeder cattle contracts March 274.37 up 15 cents. April 273.52 down 27, and May 271.82 down 50. Lean hogs April 88.30 up 172, May 92.45 up 185, June $100.87 up 177. Looking at the cash cattle livestock index, closed at 278.73, down 71 cents. Wednesday's Missouri Stocker Formula at 348.47, 34 cents lower than Tuesday. Looking at the cold storage report released on Wednesday, February 26th, total red meat supplies in freezers up 3% from the previous month, but down 6% from the last year. Total pounds of beef in freezers up 2% from the previous month, but down slightly from last year. Frozen pork supplies were up 3% from the previous month, but down 11% from last year. Stocks of pork bellies up 24% from last month, but down 32% from last year. Total frozen poultry supplies on January 31st were up 5% from the previous month, but down 6% from a year ago. Total stocks of chicken up slightly from the previous month, down 3% from the previous year. Total pounds of turkey in freezers up 21% from the last month, but down 13% from a year ago. Let's look at a market recap for Wednesday, February 26th. With the Missouri Department of Agriculture, this is Caroline Carter. Have a great day.